Sistem lombanya kita pakai British Parliamentary. Sistem ini merupakan sistem parlemen Inggris yang diadopsi dalam sistem lomba debat antar perguruan tinggi tingkat dunia. Sistemnya itu mengharusin adanya 4 tim, 2 tim dari pihak government atau tim pro yang agree sama mosi, dan 2 tim yang sebagai opposition atau pihak kontra yang nggak setuju sama mosi. Masing-masing tim terdiri dari dua pembicara debaters. Baik, mekanisme lombanya, ini ada pembagian tim. Pertama, government team, ada opening government atau OG, sama closing government atau CG. Opening government itu ada prime minister atau first government member, sama deputy prime minister atau second government member. Yang kedua dari closing government atau CG ada member for the government atau third government member. Kemudian yang keempat dan terakhir ada government whip atau fourth government member. Selanjutnya dari opposition team atau tim kontra ada opening opposition atau OO. Ada juga closing opposition atau CO. Opening opposition itu membernya ada opposition leader atau first opposition member, kemudian ada deputy opposition leader atau second opposition member, kemudian dari closing opposition ada member for the opposition atau third opposition member, kemudian yang terakhir ada opposition whip atau fourth opposition member. Baik. Selanjutnya yaitu langsung ke pembagian timnya. Ini pembagian tim nanti ada breakout room 1 sama room 2. Diingat-ingat buat kalian kelasnya itu kayak PPA 1B itu kan opening government. Jadi ntar buat setiap partnya kalian itu ntar nge-rename namanya ya. Jadi kayak kelas underscore run-nya, misalnya opening government jadi OG atau opening opposition jadi OO gitu, terus underscore namanya kalian. Kemudian pembagiannya breakout room 1 ada opening government dari PPA 1B, closing government diisi sama TI2A, opening opposition diisi sama TE2C, selanjutnya closing opposition diisi sama TPPL 1C. Untuk chair Eju nanti dari breakout room 1 diisi sama Mas Gibran, dan untuk Ejunya itu Mas Gibran sama Mas Juan. Selanjutnya untuk breakout room yang kedua itu opening government atau OG diisi sama TPPL 2A, closing government diisi sama TI1D, kemudian opening opposition diisi sama TPPL 2B, selanjutnya closing opposition diisi sama TI1B. Untuk chair edu dari breakout room 2 itu Mas Cakra, kemudian edukatornya itu Mas Cakra sama Mbak Jarna. Baik, mungkin mau di-save dulu buat rename nama kalian, bisa di-rename sekarang ya langsung. Yang belum rename ditunggu ya. Buat Salsabil Shiva bisa di-rename dulu. Pratama Putra, Aska Inayatul, kemudian Intan Grace sama Dwi Jalil Pangestu di-rename dulu ya. Intan Grace sama Dwi Jalar Pangestu di-rename dulu ya. TPPL 1C.
Oh, Ibu.
Oke, sebelum lanjut, selamat datang buat Miss Nisa sama Miss Betty yang udah ngeluangin waktunya buat join room. Ya, selanjutnya itu mosi 1. Mosi pertama itu this house believe that digital alteration, for example like Photoshop, airbrushing, filtering of the body in media brings more harm than good. Nanti sebelum mulai aku jelasin dulu mosinya itu apa, penjelasan dari mosinya, terus nanti dihitung waktu 15 menit kalian bikin bahan materi. Jadi maksudnya digital alteration itu kayak jenisnya itu kayak Photoshop, terus yang lainnya itu kayak filter Instagram atau filter Snapchat dan lain-lain gitu. Oke. Oke, selanjutnya untuk waktunya 15 menit dimulai dari sekarang. Iya, Yasti gimana?
Maaf Kak, ini mosi satunya buat yang grup 1 yang breakout 1 tadi.
Breakout room 1, 2 semua mosinya sama. Selama case building on cam ya. Jadi biar ketahuan siapa yang berbuat tidak baik. Dokumentasi kali ya. Mas Juan, SS kali ya. Di screenshot. Oke, kalau misalnya mau ngerekam boleh. Siapa yang send? Thank you. Mana? Oke, kalau mau breakout room 1.
Test. Do you guys hear my voice clearly?
Absolutely.
Okay. For this rule of the debate 2021 BN Polytechnic Degree Cilacap English competition, for those of you who right now in the case building, please turn on your camera occasionally. Jadi selama kalian case building, tolong nyalakan kamera. I repeatedly, for those of you who do case building, please turn on your camera during the case building. Thank you. The debate start in 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I remind you for those of you who join in the breakout room of the first session of debate, please turn on your camera the during the building case for the safety and fairness of the debate. Please turn on your camera during the building case session. Thank you. Okay, time's up for the building case. The time is up. For the building case, the time is up. Uh, before the debate from the breakout room one session or the first motion held it, I remind you for those of you who joining the debate room in this room who joining the debate of the first session, please turn on your camera for the fairness and safety for this debate. Thank you. Okay, the building case time is time's up. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Gibran Adnan as your educator for this debate session, the first debate session of the PNC English Competition 2021. And I'm here not only just for myself, I'm here with my friend educator. His name Mas Juan Pizi Thomas. And you can also turn on your camera on. You can also give your POI preference. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, before I start the debate for the first motion, I want to explain you for this debate rules. The first of all, you you have to turn on your camera during the debate session. For those of you who did not, for those of you who didn't turn on the camera, you will be have a consequence in the last of the breakout room session. And the number two, you can also have a preference for the POI. POI is also meaning you can ask for the debate for the other debaters. You can also have a preference through the chat box or to unmute your microphone or raise hand. Okay, and the debate session is just only for the 7 minutes. And if the educator or I give text in the chat box for example like this, it means you just pass 1 minute and and if you pass for 3 minutes, if I text in the text box 6, you just pass 6 minutes of talking. And if I text 7, you just pass the all of the through of the debate. Jadi maksudnya jika nanti ketika saya atau educator nanti di text box 1, itu artinya kalian telah ngomong sepanjang 1 menit. Dan jika nanti ada ketukan 6 itu atau teks 6, itu kalian harus mewarning diri kalian, jangan sampai kalian melebihi dari 6 menit. Ketika saya nanti teks 7, jadi kalian harus stop the debate. Apapun situasinya, kalian harus stop the debate atau stop penjelasan kalian. So about the POI, POI preference maksudnya di sini POI adalah kalian bertanya kepada other debaters. Jadi ketika nanti POI dimulai setelah adjudicator teks 1, itu artinya contohnya seperti ini. Contohnya saya adjudicator teks 1, it mean kalian bisa langsung POI ke other debaters. Jadi kalian bisa bertanya dengan waktu 15 detik. Bertanya tentang penjelasan dengan mereka 15 detik. Setelah lebih dari 6 menit, kalian harus stop. Berarti kalian tidak boleh bertanya. Seperti itu POI. Kalian bisa POI lewat text box ataupun lewat unmute your microphone atau just raise hand and unmute your microphone. Seperti itu. And of course, before the debate start, and I remind you that for those of you who did not turn on the camera, you will have the conversation in the last of the debate session. Okay. Before we start, I think that's all for me. For the first motion, ya. Oke. Sebelum kita mulai, tolong ketikkan nama dan peran kalian mulai dari OG, CG, OO hingga CO ke text box. Please right now. Thank you. Sebelum debate mulai, tolong salah satu tim mengetikkan nama perannya, menamakan namanya dan juga perannya di chat box. Terima kasih. Tolong ketikkan nama dan peran kalian serta role-nya. Resti dan contohnya Resti dan Yesti, siapa yang bakal ngomong duluan, ngomong pertama dan yang kedua. Resti atau Yesti? Attention to you guys, ini yang jadi Prime Minister siapa? Oji, Pipit, dan Ariel, who will be the first speaker or Prime Minister? Tulis di chat box.
First speaker-nya Pipit, Kak.
Tulis nama ini ya, nama lengkap di chat box seperti yang dicontohkan teman-teman di atas. Terima kasih. CEO, please write your name, please. CEO, please write your name. Who will be the first speaker, the third and the fourth speaker?
Alright. Saya sedang mengetik sebentar.
Okay. Sure. Attention for the CO Dwi, please unmute your microphone. Thank you.
Oke.
Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And we can start the debate for the debate session of the PNC English competition today. Jadi jadi di timer hingga 7 menit kalian diberikan kesempatan untuk memberikan pendapat atau mengutarakan pendapat kalian itu selama 7 menit. Tidak boleh melebihi 7 menit, kurang lebih bagus. Jadi ketika ada ada text box 1 di chat itu menandakan kalian sudah ngomong 1 menit, dan ada text box 6 itu kalian menandakan udah masuk 6 menit. Jadi be careful of your time. Jadi di sini waktu juga dipedulikan, juga dinilai. Ketika kalian melebihi 7 menit, maka juri akan men-stop. Jadi kalian harus stop the debate. So sebelum mulai, before we start, setelah nama kalian dipanggil, kalian bisa langsung waktu akan di start ketika kalian ngomong pertama. Jadi setelah kata pertama kalian kita keluarkan, waktu akan dimulai. Sampai sini paham semuanya? Did you get it?
Mas, can I ask one question?
Okay, sure.
Misal gini, kita kadang harus perkenalan dulu kan. Perkenalan itu dihitung, maksudnya udah dihitung waktu berjalan atau nanti tunggu kita speak up pertama?
Okay, thank you. Jadi untuk perkenalan, for the example, okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gibran Atan. I'm from the closing government for this motion, blah 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 blah. And I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. And langsung, jadi ketika pengenalan waktu masih belum di start. Tapi ketika kalian sudah menghitung untuk memulai pendapat kalian, mulai bicara tentang pendapat, waktu akan di start. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the debate session for the first motion, this House believes that the digital attention, e.g. Photoshop, airbrushing, filtering of the body in the media brings more harm than good. The debate will be started right now. And of course, for those of you who join in the debate room session, please turn on your camera for the anticipation of fairness and the safety of this debate during the debate. Thank you. Jadi selama debate berjalan, tolong nyalakan kamera kalian. Tidak ada yang off cam selama debate. Terima kasih. So before we start, for this role as the opening government, as the Prime Minister Pipit Ayu, the Deputy Prime Minister Ariel Santika, the closing government, for the closing government for the member of government Pratama Putra, and the government whip Rizky Ananda. For the opening opposition team, we have leader of opposition Restia Muningar, and for the deputy of leader opposition, we have Yesti Mutiara, and the closing opposition we have member of opposition Dwi, and the closing opposition as whip we have Intan. So for the debate start, for ladies and gentlemen, please for the opening opposition, for the opening government, Prime Minister Pupit Ayu, the time is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pipit Ayu Novia Ramadhan Tias, and in this occasion, I am the first speaker of the government team. As the first speaker of the government team, I would like to deliver my definition of the motion and then my argument. Today's motion is, this House believes that digital alteration such as Photoshop, airbrushing, filtering of the body in media brings more harm than good. I will jump to my definition of the motion. I define digital alteration or digital editing as editing photos to look impeccable, to look perfect, with no lack or with no deficiency. Then I define harm as the harm that I mean here is that the harm is it enchants the existence of toxic beauty standards. And I define good as the good for social situation or society's opinion about beauty. So the whole definition would be, this house believes that editing photos to look perfect with no lack will only enhance the existence of toxic beauty standards to society's opinion about beauty. Now, let's jump to my argument. I will bring about toxic beauty standards. I mean these filters, these editings of photos. Usually the photos that are filtered here has no pimple, no black spots, no wrinkles. They have smooth skin color. They got no big pores. They have pointed nose and they have rosy lips. Well, those editing will make the people who see that think that, oh, this person is so beautiful, and they will think that every people in this world should look like that. While in reality, no. We have different body, we have different face, we have different quality of our skin, and this will make people bully someone that doesn't look like the one with the filtered photos. Like if someone that upload their photos on social media, but the person has pimples, they don't have glowing skin, they have black spots or wrinkles or all those things that I have mentioned earlier. I believe that there are some people, or there are a lot of people that will bully the person like, hey, you're so ugly, like, ew, look at those pimples, look at those black spots. Ew, you don't have pointed nose. Look at that nose. It's so round. It's sharp. You look ugly. Ew, you got big spores. And whoa, you have such ugly lips. It looks so pale. Like blah 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 blah. And they're going to give more and more hate comments and cyberbullying. And I believe that these filters will only lead to body shaming people. Like, I believe this generation has more aware of how bad is body shaming. And with agreeing that this digital editing for photos, I believe that I believe if we minimize or just ban these digital editing applications and filters, we can chance more awareness about how bad is body shaming and how good it is to love yourself normally, fully, with no fillers. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister of the government team takes 4 minutes and 32 seconds, 0.85. It means you in the right zone. Okay, move to the opposition leader for the first speaker, the leader of opposition from the opposition leader, Miss Restia Muninggar. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you. My name is, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Restia Muninggar. I'm as a opposition of leader. Yes. I will say about opening opposition. We are from the opening opposition. We do not agree with the definition of motion. Why is that? Because of technological development in today's increasingly rapid in mobile phones or PC computers, which make it very easy for us to do editing, such as Photoshop, airbrushing, filtering, and many other media. We can take advantage of the advancement of social media to make our work easier. Let's say people with editing jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, because Photoshop actually can be a place for someone to work for all imagination. Digital alteration, in case Photoshop, Instagram filter, is the place for anyone to make a masterpiece. With basic work that really requires editing, such as Photoshop, airbrushing, and filtering, if you don't use it or don't use it, it will be difficult. And not just for those jobs, for people in this day and age, it has become a trending and a technology that everyone loves. When we take advantage of filtering, for example, on one of the social media that make our photo more beautiful, is not it our choice to use or not to use this application. When we use the filter and we feel happy because maybe we have imperfections in the psyche, and when using the filter, some people will definitely feel happy. Thank you for me.
Okay, the leader of opposition takes 2 minutes 15 seconds, 41 seconds. Okay, so move to the Deputy Prime Minister, Miss Ariel Santika. The time is yours. Miss Ariel Santika, are you here? Are you there?
Yes, Kak.
Okay, you can go through the speaking. Sure, here.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Santika. I am a second speaker of government, opening government terus.
Miss Ariel Santika, if you already started speaking, you can unmute your microphone. Thank you. Silakan Miss Ariel Santika as the Deputy Prime Minister.
Wait, Kak.
Sure. Miss Ariel Santika, the time is already for you. Please start the debate immediately. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Sandika. I Deputy Prime Minister. First, I will give rebuttal. Susah, Kak. So the first speaker of the opposition team did all challenge definition, but she didn't give valid definition. She didn't give any valid reason on why she would to challenge definition. So we will change. We believe it is unacceptable. We believe. So we believe it is unacceptable. Acceptable. So we will challenge. We will just continue this debate. Continue this debate with our motion. With our definition. With our definition. Thank you. Let's jump to my argument.
Excuse me, Kak.
Yes. Any problem?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but it seems like my partner here, she's too nervous to deliver her argument.
Oh yeah.
So what do you think? Is it alright if we calm her down for a bit, or should we just continue this debate?
Just continue the debate, but just take your time. But also, just remind your time. I mean, lanjutkan saja debate-nya, tapi tetap perhatikan waktunya. Jangan sampai kelebihan 7 menit. Thank you. You still have 4 minutes.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Sure.
I'm sorry for the wait. I will give argument. Using editing has a negative impact because it can damage one's perception of people, self-image in cyberspace, and in reality. It can be different, causing haters or insecurity. Thank you.
Okay, for Deputy Prime Minister takes 6 minutes and 29 seconds. Okay, move to the deputy opposition leader for the Miss Yesti Mutiara. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you. My name is Yesti Mutiara. I'm the deputy opposition leader. Okay. First of all, I want to respond the Prime Minister opinion and the Prime Minister definition. Based on your definition and on your opinion, it's like you think that someone who editing her or him picture was a terrible thing. It's like you say that editing photo with any Photoshop or filter Instagram or anything, it can cause the cyberbullying in this digital alteration. Prime Minister keep talking about cyberbullying and insecurity. But how can we know it's the harm of digital alteration? The bullying or the cyberbullying or any bullying, it's causes of the people who bully anybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to know that someone who the victim of that cyberbullying is not her fault or his fault. It's the fault of someone who do that bullying. Editing our body or our face or anything, erase our pimple or our scars or anything, it's not a harm thing. It's just something that it's something that can makes us feel better. And you keep talking about any toxic beauty standard, and that toxic beauty standard it's created by someone who can feel who can see anybody feel happy. This digital alteration like Photoshop or like filter Instagram is brings more good than harm, because like the opposition leader says that with this Photoshop or filtering we can do a job with it, like in Instagram, you know that we can create a filter that if there's so much people who use our filter, that Instagram will invite us to their workshop or any activity on their company. And it was a good thing to use Photoshop or filter. And you say that with editing our photo, it's like we can accept our body and the other can like has a hope that our photo is same in real life, like our face and our body is same like in photo and in real life. But it was sick. Why? Because editing photo is not a harmful or a harm thing. It's just something that we can do for our happiness or for our work. And yeah, the someone or anybody who can accept someone when someone photo and someone face in real life is different, is someone who has the sick, I think. And I will say again that you keep talking about toxic beauty standard, and the toxic beauty standard is not created by the alteration by the alteration digital. It's created by someone who has a toxic mindset. A toxic beauty standard is not the fault of someone who editing her or him pictures like a woman or a man. We can edit our pictures in any Photoshop or any filter. It's our right, and you can't say that cyberbullying or the harm of the digital alteration, like what you say before, is the cause of someone who edit her pictures of her face, of her body or him, whatever. So yeah, me and the opening opposition do not agree with your definition, with your opinion that talk cyberbullying and toxic beauty standard is causes of the digital of the harm, or is causes of the digital alteration. Once again, the toxic beauty standard of or cyberbullying in this era is not the harm of digital alteration, especially Photoshop and filtering. Thank you.
Okay, the deputy of the opposition leader, Ms. Yesti Mutiara, takes 7 minutes and 44 seconds. It means you have reached the limit of. It means you have has reached the limit of the time. Because for those of you all of you, please be careful for your time and watch your time. Don't push yourself into the limit for the time. It's if you have reached the limit of time, it means you have a minus point for your team. Thank you. Okay, next for the closing government, the member of the government, Mr. Pratama Putra, the time is yours.
Okay, is my voice can hear audible?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Pratama Putra. I'm from the closing government as a third speaker. And if you want to do POI, you can just unmute yourself and say POI, and then I'll respond you. And then I'll begin my speech in 3, 2, 1, and start. Start now. Before I go any further, I want to notice some arguments that the opposite team is deliver to us, and they always say talking. They always talking about right to use a filter because it's a human right. And then yes, it is a human right, but it can lead us to do some criminal things. For example, we can search in the internet for uh, for the case like um, do some tricky uh, photo profile, and then um, you can use that as the criminal ways, and then we can the worst way, like we hypnotize our social media friendster, and then and uh, uh, well besides that fact, we can say that the digital alteration bring us to harmful thing, because um, it can bring us to the mental illness. I mean, like we know that in the social media we see someone profile picture, and then in that profile picture he used the filter to make their face more beauty, or to make their face more handsome, something like that. And then if we make some relation in social media, automatically we want to meet each other in real life too. And then and finally, if we see the different about her profile picture in social media and about her face in real life, it can bring us the disappointment. And yeah, it can I mean, if the disappointment is not too deep or too too worse, no thank YST, I will continue my argument. If the disappointment more not too deep, it can be cured by doing some other activities. But if the disappointment is too deep in our heart and make us uh, to depression, I mean, because we trust each other in social media, and we see in the profile picture uh, it he has or she has beauty face, and then yeah, it can bring us the harmful thing. And well, oh, I want to notice from Miss Restia as the first speaker. He talked about editing more easier because this digital alteration. Uh, in in fact, editing more easier because the digital alteration, it can lead us to the easier way to criminal things, like what I say before. We can trick our social media friend with our filter. For example, in real life we are men, but but if we use the filter, we can change change our gender to 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 woman. And then uh, the worst way to use this filter, we can do the criminal, like trick our social media friend. We rob her things like handphone or our wallet, and yeah, do some criminal thing like that. And then mm, it I think that's why we believe that digital alteration is bring us more harmful things than good, and then good things. I mean, okay, thank you. That's all for me, and good afternoon all.
Okay, the deputy, the member of the government takes 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, let's move to the member of the opposition for the Miss Dewey. For the Mr. Dewey, the time is yours.
Okay, my name is Dwi Pangestu. I am the first speaker of closing opinion. And I'm here to try to keep natural the way I see it. There are so many benefits in social media in life that because the system is created by human for a benefit in a better way. But everything have a positive and negative side. It depends its own user. How we use a thing that we create is useful for others, not to harm the others. Thank you.
Okay, the closing opposition, member of the opposition takes 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds, point 86. Okay, let's move to the government whip for Mr. Rizky Ananda. The time is yours.
Okay. Well, my name is Rizky Ananda Putra. I'm from Closing Government as a government whip. According to what my first speaker talked about, digital alteration bring us to a high standard where everyone will assume that beauty is absolute. And when there are people who can reach that standard, then people will do cyberbullying. This person looks beauty because of filter. It can lead us to bullying and lead us to body shaming. And according to my friends talk about as a third speaker, Pratama Putra, the digital alteration will bring disappointment because we feel cheat, and it will refer to fraud. Therefore, this motion shows how dangerous digital alteration is. Just imagine, when you wish to meet a man, but who appears in the front of you is a woman. Just imagine. I think that's all from me as a government whip. Thank you.
Okay, for the government whip, it takes time. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Okay, let's move to the last of the speaker of the debate session for the opposition whip, Miss Intan. The time is yours.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Grace Jombing. I'm second speaker of close opening. Try to think every consequence about what we do, but upload something in a different editing is very wrong. It will cause misunderstanding, and that's a low benefit for people. That's all of my argument. Thank you.
Okay, for the last speaker of the opposition whip takes 15 seconds. Okay, let's to conclude our debate. For those of you, for the debaters, just you can take time for break, and we'll be back in 15 minutes. And of course, you can you don't have to leave this breakout room. You don't have to leave breakout room. Just take your time for rest, but don't leave the breakout room. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Thank you.